Hi there, Professor George again. I'm kind of excited about making these videos. Please let me know if they help. So today, this video is going to be about the word real with quotations around it. We have the real interest rate. We have real GDP. We have real earnings. All the word real means is it means you've taken out the difference in inflation. So let me talk about real wages. Over a time period, your wage rate, what you get paid, does not change. Over that same time period, there's been inflation of 5%. At the end of that time period, your real wage, your real income, is going to be 5% less, even though you haven't gotten a pay cut. If I make $1,000, there's inflation, that $1,000 will no longer buy what it used to buy. You have to correct for inflation. So your real income is going to be your nominal income. Nominal always just means the number that's given, minus the rate of inflation. That's how we get real income. Let me talk about the real interest rate. This is in Chapter 6. This is all about the difference between what you expect and what actually happens. If you're in a union and your union negotiates with the owners of the firm and they say, at the end of this period, we're going to get a 3% raise. The reason you've picked a 3% raise is because you think the rate of inflation is going to be 3%. So if you get a 3% raise and the rate of inflation is 3%, at the end of the day, your nominal number will be bigger, but your real income is the same. Prices have gone up 3%, your wages have gone up 3%. Let's talk about when what you think is going to happen and what happened are different. You expect inflation to be 3%. You've negotiated your pay goes up by 3%. But what happens if it only goes up by 1%? If it only goes up by 1%, but your pay has gone up 3%, you are sitting pretty. You take what actually happened, the 3%, and you subtract what did happen, the 1%. That's a positive 2. So your real income has gone up by 2%. Now let's take the opposite. You've negotiated a 3% raise. That's what you think the rate of inflation is going to be. If what actually happens is you have 5% inflation, can you see that you're going to be worse off? Prices have gone up 5%. Your wages have gone up 3%. The difference between those two numbers is 2. So your real wage has gone down 2%. So you're going to compare your expectations, what you've expected, to what actually happens. The difference between those two will tell you your real wage. If what actually happens is more than what you thought, your real wage is going down. If what actually happens is less than what you thought, your real wage has gone up. Real always means you take out the price change to see what actually happens. I hope this helps. Please let me know if this helps.